High Priestess, maybe there were a lot of secrets between you and them. This person kept on hiding things from you, and maybe it was that there is another person in the picture. There was some sort of secret that came out. You got to know something about this person that they were hiding, and all of this led to a lot of drama. A lot of drama happened between you and them, but you still hope for something to happen here. We'll see what that is, but yeah. How is my Cancer feeling right now about this situation? Queen of Wands, you are trying to work on yourself. You are trying to move past this. This person or this situation has deeply hurt you. You are trying. I'm not saying that you do not try, but the connection is so intense that you cannot completely let go, but you still try to move on. Six of Wands, yeah, see, you are hoping that this person will become better, they will realize something, but meanwhile you're also trying to work on yourself. With the Tower card, I definitely feel that something was revealed here. This connection did not end because of you and someone, but it has ended because of a third party influence or an outer influence. All right, if it was not third party, then it was an outer influence. So something outside of you and the other person basically came into the connection and destroyed it. For some of you, it might be career. For some of you, it might be family. Something outside of both of you basically stepped in and ruined the connection for you. You're trying to move on. You're trying to work on your money, your looks, your stability, or whatnot. This is birthday month. You might be getting your nails done, hair done, or even if you're a guy, you're just trying to focus on your power and your money, your stability, but then this person or something about the connection kind of keeps you stuck. What is the feeling of this person that the Cancer was dealing with towards Cancer? Moon card, they know that their secrets have been revealed. This person is kind of ashamed that whatever they were hiding from you came out. So they know you know. But this person is holding back onto what the fuck is happening here? Both of you are holding back onto each other. This person would want things to happen like they were in the past. They are hoping that you guys can be together again like you were. This person still holds on to you. See how tightly they are still holding on to you. They are not letting go. So there's a lingering energy. You might be feeling that already. That even though you try to move on, something keeps you stuck. That is this person's lingering energy. This person is holding on to you very strongly, and maybe that is why even you cannot move on. Every time you try to move on, this person shows up in your life in some way, shape or form. That is why it's very difficult for you to completely move on, and I understand. That's keeping you stuck. And this person here, they're very ashamed that their secrets came out and you got to know about everything. They thought that they will fool you, but see, whatever they were trying to hide with the sun, hide with the moon, came out with the sun. So what next will happen here between Cancer and their person moving towards July? Knight of Swords. See, I'm telling you, I see somebody's hands are on fire and this person is reaching out to you for communication. I see it has been some time that you both haven't spoken. It could be 4 months maybe. Some of you, it is 9 days. It might be a recent one for some of you. For others of you, it's like a 4-month connection. You haven't spoken to each other, but somebody is rushing in to communicate with you. Why is this person coming back for Cancer? Knight of Cups. Ooh. This person wants to communicate with you. Maybe this time they want to communicate their emotions to you. Maybe in the past their emotions were dried up and they never confessed. Some of you, I think this person, okay, I'm getting a storyline here. I see that you were hoping for a connection, but this person wanted friends with benefit, or they just wanted sex. But now they have developed some feelings for you, and this person would want to come back and talk to you. With the Knight of Cups, I see emotions are now involved from this person's side. In the past, they were not, but now they want to. With the Temperance card, I see that they want to balance the situation. They want to even out the situation with you. Like it was a very one-sided connection in the past, now they want to contribute as well. What happened to this person? What gave them the spiritual enlightenment? This person seems to be enlightened. They have realized something and they want to make things happen again with you. They want to have that kind of stability, and they kind of want to make make the situation work. Basically, I see somebody wants to make things happen with you again. They want to get on the same page again. Okay, tell me some more information about this person that the Cancer was dealing. Knight of Pentacles. Ooh. Some of you, if money or career was a problem, maybe now they got their shit together and that is why they're coming back. So it's like whatever they went after in the past, career or money, now they have achieved. So now they want to come back into your life. Some of it could be that. I also see multiple options in love for you, Cancer. Some of you, if you're looking for love, especially if you're single and looking, I see many options. At least 3 people have their eye on you. And with the 5 of Cups, I also see that this person has really disappointed you in the past. Like they basically came out as something that you never expected. You never expected them to behave in a certain way and they did. And it was because of their ego. This person was very egotistical and they never really cared about your emotions as much. They just cared about themselves. And that led to a lot of disappointment. So now when this person comes back, you will be kind of skeptical to get them back. But some of you, I see that you are also waiting for communication from them. And if this person apologizes and if this person, you know, like they just tell you that they are sorry and they regret, then you might accept it as well. So I see that you are anyway waiting for an apology and it is coming in. Alright, let's see for singles, for my single Cancerians in July. 5 of Swords. Be very careful. There could be a player around you who might try to overburden you. Some of you, you really need to focus on your work right now. Maybe love is not the right thing to go after because you might be very overdrained with work and you would try to get into a relationship without thinking much and you will run into a player. So there could be a player around you, especially air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Be very careful. I also see that for singles, your work pressure is going to increase. So I don't know what's going to happen, but expect a lot of work to come towards you. 5 of Pentacles. Singles, be very careful because 5 of Swords, 5 of Pentacles is the energy that's coming towards you. Some of you, you might meet somebody who will promise you the sun, the moon, and the stars, and they might just disappoint you. Be very careful. Some of you, even if you're overspending, not taking care of your money, you might run into bankruptcy. Be very careful about that as well. Magician. See, you are capable of manifesting a beautiful love. Try to manifest. Do not try to run into people, low-level people who just promise you something and behave in a completely different way. Do not get yourself into that kind of situation. For love, there is some time for you, singles. Now is not the time. All right, so keep focusing on your happiness. Keep focusing on what you want to manifest. Maybe try this scripting, the journaling thing. Write all the qualities that you want in your partner and try to manifest. Because I see that in a hurry, you will try to run into somebody and this person is a total waste of time. They might actually take some money from you and run away. So be very careful, all right? So you're capable of having a very beautiful love, but that's going to happen in some time. Try to focus on your manifestation. Try to focus on yourself, Wheel of Fortune. See? So love is definitely part of your destiny, but it is some time. Right now is not the time. For singles, all right? And for people who are dealing with somebody, I see somebody wants to come back and talk to you. And they are like in a hurry. This person wants to speak to you very quickly. And for singles, you might just attract an idiot, so be very careful. Chariot. Ooh, your card. Some of you might also be traveling if you're waiting for an opportunity to travel. I see that coming in. Or somebody might come from abroad with some sort of good news. So if you're looking for that, go for it. Finance and career. Again, same message. See, focus on your finance and career. Right now is not the time for love. Singles. All right. Let's see message for Cancer, please. Overall, pay attention to the red flag. Didn't I tell you this already? Be very careful. You might attract an idiot back in your life. Alright. For people who are dealing with somebody, see again, somebody wants to give a second chance. You are in separation currently with this person and they want to have a second chance. Somebody wants to fix things with you. They want to get back on the same page. You both will be speaking a lot very soon. So I see some sort of communication, some sort of proposal to collaborate or to a proposal to compromise and get back on the same track. Something like that is going to happen. So look out for that. Alright, so that was the reading. Hope this helps and resonates. If it does, Make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment. I will see you very soon in the next video. Till then, you guys take care, stay safe, bye.